Hey guys, I'm Jason from Simple Cookery, and today I'm going to show you how to make pop chops. It's going to be a very simple recipe and it's going to have a nice honey and garlic glaze. Let's go. So the first step to this recipe is to season your pop chops with salt and pepper on both sides. Since we're making a garlic and honey glaze, we're going to chop up the garlic into thinly sliced pieces. Transfer the garlic into a bowl and then put in 2 tablespoons of honey, 6 tablespoons of stock, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Give it a nice mix. It'll start to produce this nice brown color of our sauce that we'll be using for our glaze. So now that we got our glaze ready, we're gonna cook the pop chops. So we're gonna pop them into a hot sizzling pan with some oil. And we're gonna cook each side 3 to 4 minutes depending on how thick your pop chop is. So once your pop chops are cooked, set them aside. And now, without washing the pan, put in the glaze that we made. So what we're going to do here is to bring the glaze to boil for a few minutes until the honey is reduced. So once the glaze is sufficiently reduced, put back in your pop chops. Now cut up some parsley and sprinkle it over our pop chops. So you want to cook the liquid until it's kind of gluey so that it sticks to the outsides of the pop chops, making the glaze itself. You want to flip occasionally, making sure that both sides enjoy the juiciness of the glaze. Don't forget to put in some sesame seeds just to give it a nice finishing touch. And there we go, honey garlic pop chops. It's easy, it's juicy, and most of all, it's delicious. Enjoy.
Alright, let's give it a go.
Wow, look at that.
Shots of water.
Have that one. This one is really good.
A lot of flavour, good. Give this a go, guys. Pork chops. I don't usually cook pork, so I'm definitely going to give this one a go.
Yeah, this one's really nice.
And I love honey and soy. Really good combination.
Like honey and soy just adds like more depth to your pork chops, you know, instead of just like salt and pepper. You know, make a honey and soy glaze.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this a go at home.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this a go at home. If you like this recipe, press the like button and subscribe for more. Here at Simple Cookery, we make... Here at Simple Cookery, we teach you cooking techniques and what? Here at Simple Cookery, we teach you simple cooking recipes and cooking techniques. And then what's next? Here at Simple Cookery, we teach you simple cooking recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in your kitchen. Anyways, see ya.
Bye guys.